What happens when you swap traditional potatoes for sweet potatoes and add a smoky barbecue twist to it? You get this shepherd's pie that's not only flavorful but also good for you. It's the ultimate comfort food remix that's perfect for meal prep, dinners, or potlucks. Here's how to make it. We'll start by preparing our sweet potato topping. Begin by washing all of your sweet potatoes and drying them off with a paper towel. Get your cutting board out along with a potato peeler. Peel the skins off of your sweet potatoes. If you don't have a potato peeler, you can use a small paring knife to carefully peel the skins off. Once you're done peeling off all of your sweet potatoes, cut them into smaller pieces. Head over to your stove and begin adding your sliced sweet potatoes into a large pot. Make sure your pot is large enough to hold all of your sweet potatoes. Pour enough water to cover your sweet potatoes, bring it to a boil, then boil the sweet potatoes for 15 to 20 minutes on medium-high heat. While the sweet potatoes cook, we can prepare our shepherd's pie filling. Take out a skillet, turn the burner on medium heat, and give it a light spray of cooking oil. Add half a cup of diced onion and cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Add 2 garlic cloves or 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and cook for another minute or 2 before removing the onion and the garlic from the skillet. Add 2 pounds of lean ground turkey. You can use lean ground chicken or beef if you prefer. Cook it on medium heat for about 10 to 12 minutes. Also, make sure you use a large enough pan that will fit both your ground turkey and vegetables. I had to switch to a larger pan. For our seasonings, we're using 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons chili powder, half a teaspoon ground cumin, half a teaspoon cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Mix all of those in your ground turkey. Next, we'll add the remaining ingredients for our filling. Start by adding your cooked onion and garlic, 1 15-ounce can of drained black beans, 1 cup of low-sodium diced tomatoes, 24 ounces of frozen mixed vegetables. Make sure you thaw them first. A 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, and 1 cup of barbecue sauce. Carefully mix everything together. Reduce the heat to medium-low and let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Check back on the sweet potatoes as they should be finished cooking. Drain your cooked sweet potatoes and return them back to the pot. Add 1 5.3 ounce container of plain Greek yogurt, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mash everything together until it's fully combined. Preheat your oven on 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Take out a 9 by 13 inch baking dish and line it with foil. Add all of your meat and vegetable mixture to the baking dish. Then add your sweet potato topping and evenly spread it across your meat and vegetable mixture. Bake it on 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Once it's finished cooking, remove it from the oven. Optionally garnish it with fresh cilantro, and you're set to serve your sweet potato barbecue shepherd's pie. It's a flexible feast that you can customize to your liking. Feel free to mix up the seasonings, vegetables, or ground meat in this recipe. It's a complete meal that's packed with healthy carbs from the sweet potato, protein from the Greek yogurt and ground turkey, and micronutrients from the vegetables. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.